Hi guys, welcome back with a new exciting recipe for today, and today we are going to make a nice sweet, sour and a bit spicy fruit salad. So let's get started and I'll tell you the ingredients. Fresh pineapple, fresh peach, 1 apple, 1 pear, some fresh orange chunks, few raspberries, fresh strawberries, few cherries, fresh figs, black grapes. Add some pomegranate, add 1 banana. Mix everything together and your fruit salad is ready to serve. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of honey, and juice of 1 fresh lime. I hope you like this recipe. Try it and let me know in the comment section below. And for more interesting content, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Till next time, take care and good night.